Hello, I'm Dr. Vanessa Sherk from the University of Colorado Anschutz Medical Campus in the Department of Orthopedics. I am here on behalf of HubLE at the ECTS meeting 2021, and I am here with Bethan. If you'd like to introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Bethan, and I'm a final year PhD student based in London, specifically at the Royal Veterinary College and University College London. And my supervisors are Dr. Isabel Orris, Professor Tim Arnett, and Dr. Jill Holdsworth at UCB Pharma.
That's last year PhD. That's pretty exciting. Would you like
Yes.
to tell us about what you presented at ECTS this year?
Yeah, I presented two topics of my research. So the first was a poster that essentially introduced a method that I developed during our lockdowns from COVID that essentially automates osteoclast culture endpoint analysis. And my presentation during the new investigator seminar was detailing the effects of extracellular pH on osteoclast biology. And here I showed that uh, extracellular pH can modulate osteoclast size, fusion, and resorption, and that by reducing or changing the pH by 0.5 units, that changes osteoclast biology.
That's really exciting. I'm really curious to see what happens with the automation of the endpoint assays. So what are your next steps after this?
So within science, I'd like to really validate what I've found so far in using different experiments. So more specifically, I'd like to use some live cell imaging to be able to actually track these changes that I'm seeing in my osteoclast after the pH treatments. And I'm also looking to understand what the molecular switches during osteoclast fusion and resorption. And then in terms of my career, I'd like to stay in research. I really enjoy the analytical thinking, the problem solving, and ideally, great if I can add a few more pieces to the puzzle of my current research, then that's great. But I'm just really glad to carry on researching.
That sounds really exciting, and good luck with finding whatever your next step will be, hopefully in research. And thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for spending your time with us.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you.